Hello, this is Federico Del Rey, and today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the Walmart exclusive Lady Gaga Art Pop, which includes two remixes from the song Applause, and I'm gonna unbox also the Applause t-shirt, which you can buy it from the bundle online at ladygaga.com or from Walmart as well. So here we go. Okay, first let's open ARTPOP. ARTPOP, this is the only at Walmart exclusive edition. It includes two remixes. This is not the full edition. It's just a regular one. Yes, it's not the explicit one. It's the edited one. And here we go. As you can see, the song Sex Dreams is now called X Dreams, and Jewels and Drugs is just called Jewels and Little Stars. And here are two remixes. Applause, the DJ White Shadow Electro Tech remix, and the Applause Viceroy remix, I think. Okay, so let's open this. I also ordered the Applause foil edition, the US copy, and I also ordered the Applause edition UK version, which comes with the DVD. Alright, here we go. Let's open this. Okay. And here are the track listings. This is the CD. You can actually feel the words Art Pop here. There we go. It's some trippy background thing. Alright. And let's look at the album. Alright, that's Coons Falls. The lyrics, Aura. And notice how even the word killed is apparently considered bad, apparently. So you can tell how crappy the edited version's gonna be, but I just got this just to collect it. Okay, here she is, my beautiful Gaga. And here we go. Notice how they used two balloons to cover her big ass. Just like that. Oh yeah, this is some trippy stuff right here. More lyrics. Alright, that's Jeff Koons in the background, taking pictures for the model sculpture. And another balloon here. Alright. There we go. In my opinion, the Born This Way booklet's better, more pictures, and more personal. Maybe here's some notes for the fans, perhaps. Yep, here we go. You can just put pause on that so you can read it to yourself. Alright, and next we have the Applause t-shirt. They sell it in Walmart for like around, 12 bucks, I guess. Just got it. So let's open this. Those eyes. this shirt. It's good quality. It's not like those shirts that feel like undershirts. This is a good shirt right here. There we go. I'm gonna try it on right now, see how it looks. Alright, here we go. This is how it looks. It's not that bad looking. Probably have the camera backwards. It's a good shirt. Alright, and I guess that sums it up. And also, if you really like the album, make sure to get the Born This Way one. And if you really do like Born This Way, get the collector's edition, which comes with this one. Comes with the remix one. And comes with the tour. And also, if you really like music, make sure to pick up a copy of the Heartbeats, which they will sound amazing. Alright, thank you for watching, and bye-bye.